Mr. Speaker, my concern is not Honorable Junet, my minority leader, but Honorable Toto is kneeling. I know that the member she's speaking to is a very honorable and much older member, but is she in order to be kneeling? Yeah, Honorable Sigay. I know it's an adult, but surely, Mr. Speaker. In this house, we are presumed to be all equal, so as much as it shows respect culturally, but it is not in order. Not in the house, no.
Order. Honorable Millie, if you go and read the Hansard, the last time the word kneeling was used in this house, a vice president lost his job. Josephat Njuguna Karanja. Do you want my comrade, Ambassador Sigay, to lose his job? Oh. Go on, Junet.
Mr. Speaker, I am told the Honorable Toto has just come back from Uganda, and she must have learned those
mannerisms
from the Speaker, how to kneel before men. Mr. Speaker, and that is the way it should be, Mr. Speaker.
Yes.
That's the way it should be. Mr. Speaker.
Yes, Donya.
That's on a light note, Mr. Speaker.
Donya.
That's on a light note, Mr. Speaker.
Order. Yes, Donya.
Mr. Speaker, you know this statement might be taken serious. When we go back home, our men demand for kneeling, you will be ruining our marriages, Mr. Speaker. It is men who should kneel before women, not women kneeling. In this 21st century, Mr. Speaker, we should not be told of what to do.
Order, Donya. Order, honorable members. Order. Honorable members. Jaka Wamboka, member for Bumula, can tell you that from the community where we come from, women kneeling for their men is an ordinary course of things in their houses. Go on, Junet. I am not talking of your community. Go on, Junet. Junet, go on. Order.
Mr. Speaker.
Order, Donya. Donya,
Sit down.
you are getting disorderly. Take your seat.
Mr. Speaker.
I never talked of any other community. I talked of Wamboka's community.
Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker.
Yes.
Mr. Speaker, if I may move, Mr. Speaker, we are just giving tactics of how to spice the marriages, Mr. Speaker. We are not doing anything bad. How marriages can be better, and there are places where even men kneel, and men know, they can't say it in the camera, Mr. Speaker. Anyway, Mr. Speaker, I want to say that we have to members must take the address of the nation by the President very serious, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, members should understand, should know better, because, Mr. Speaker, it's a constitutional requirement. It's not just any other event, Mr. Speaker. The President comes to Parliament and addresses the nation on issues that have been stipulated in the Constitution, Mr. Speaker. Issues of national security, international obligations, the economy, and all kinds of things. And you will see at the end of his address, Mr. Speaker, he will hand over documents, set of documents to the Speaker. That tells you how important the address is, Mr. Speaker. And that is the reason why Parliament as a National Assembly